Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Puma Speedcat shoes, a timeless classic inspired by motorsport heritage. Whether you're a fan of sleek designs or looking for a comfortable, everyday shoe, this review will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the design. The Puma Speedcat is all about minimalism and elegance. With its low-profile silhouette, premium suede upper, and iconic Puma form strip, this shoe strikes a perfect balance between sporty and casual. The slim sole design not only adds to its motorsport-inspired look but also ensures it doesn't feel bulky on your feet. When it comes to comfort, the Speedcat doesn't disappoint. The suede upper molds to your feet over time, giving a snug yet flexible fit. However, it's worth noting that the shoe runs slightly narrow, so if you have wider feet, consider sizing up. The lightly cushioned insole provides decent support for daily wear, but it may not be ideal for high-impact activities. While the Speedcat is designed with motorsport enthusiasts in mind, it performs best as a lifestyle sneaker. The flat rubber outsole offers excellent grip, reminiscent of racing shoes, making it great for driving or casual use. That said, it's not intended for rigorous athletic activities or long-distance walking. In terms of durability, the Speedcat holds up well, thanks to its high-quality suede construction and robust outsole. However, as with most suede shoes, regular maintenance is essential. Use a suede brush and a water-repellent spray to keep them looking fresh and protected from wear and tear. One of the standout features of the Puma Speedcat is its versatility. It pairs effortlessly with jeans, chinos, and even joggers, making it a go-to option for casual outings or a laid-back office day. If you're into motorsport-inspired fashion, this shoe is a statement piece that elevates your style. So, is the Puma Speedcat worth it? Absolutely, if you're looking for a stylish, motorsport-inspired sneaker that delivers on both form and function. While it has its limitations, especially in terms of fit and cushioning, its timeless design and everyday versatility make it a standout choice. Let me know your thoughts on the Puma Speedcat in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more detailed reviews. See you next time.